The super fast charging version of Trumpchi E9 has been launched, starting at 322,800 yuan, equipped with a 2.0T plug-in hybrid, and charging up to 80% in 8 minutes. In terms of appearance, the Trumpchi E9 Super Fast Charge Edition continues the design of the current model, adopting a lion-like front face design and uniquely shaped headlights that show a powerful aura. The side shape of the car body is smooth and solid, equipped with double-sided electric sliding doors. The rear of the car adopts a through-type taillight design, with a longitudinal arrangement on both sides, reflecting the headlight group. In terms of body size, it has a length, width and height of 5212/1893/1823 mm respectively, a wheelbase of 3070 mm, and a 2+2+3 7-seat layout. In terms of interior, it also continues the layout design of the current model. The overall style is stable and majestic, and has a strong technological atmosphere. It is available in Yunshanzhushui, light color with Opera Palace, dark color and Jockey Club Manor, brown 3 interior theme styles, equipped with a 3-screen layout consisting of 12.3-inch full LCD display, 14.6-inch floating central control display and 12.3-inch passenger entertainment display. In terms of intelligence, the new car is equipped with a Digo intelligent car system, which has a built-in Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 chip and supports 4G network, 4-zone voice recognition wake-up, gesture control, face recognition, application store, mobile app remote control and car life mobile interconnection and other functions. In addition to AEB automatic emergency braking, our AEB rear collision mitigation system, BSD blind spot monitoring/merging support, FCW front collision warning, RCTA rear vehicle crossing warning, it also supports L2 level assisted driving. Active safety such as RCTB rear cross-motion vehicle braking support, RCW rear traffic warning and vehicle holding support, LDW plus LK plus ELK. In addition to the functions, the top-level Grandmaster Edition also has 1000-meter memory parking, 50-meter reverse tracking and remote control car, integrated parking and other functions. In terms of configuration, it has been upgraded with 270-degree surround double-layer soundproof glass. All current models come with front and rear soundproof glass as standard, 20-speaker Yamaha audio system. Current top model has 16-speaker audio system, and the new front seats have 16-point massage function. In addition, the second-row zero-gravity seats have been upgraded with new seat cushion massage and impact structure, headrest sound, armrest screens and leg rests to further enhance driving comfort. In terms of power, it continues to be equipped with a plug-in hybrid system consisting of a 2.0T engine and an electric motor. The engine has a maximum power of 190 horsepower, and the electric motor is a 2.0T engine. The maximum power is 182 horsepower, and the system has a maximum comprehensive power. It has a comprehensive system peak torque of 373 horsepower, 630 Nm, and the transmission system is matched with a 2-speed DHT transmission. The official acceleration time from 0 to 100 km is 8.8 seconds, and the maximum speed can reach 175 km. The fuel consumption is 6.05 L/100 km. In terms of battery life, the new car is equipped with a 25.57 kWh capacity triple lithium charger battery pack. The CLTC Pure Electric cruising range is 983 km with full fuel and full charge. In addition, the new car supports super fast charging and a maximum external discharge power of 3.3 kW to meet outdoor power needs.